All right, Wick on the GTO, passenger side rocker now. Not as beachy as the other side.
I hear something big rolling around in there.
Yeah.
I think I need to drill my hole in the front here. You can see what's happening in here.
Not yet.
All right, blinded.
That's a day in the life. Getting blinded with the.
Oh, there it is. It's coming out.
Oh yeah. Woo. Yeah.
Doesn't seem as bad as the other side.
It's definitely not as bad.
I think I'm gonna drill a hole like I did in the front on this side.
And blow her out.
Yeah.
That'll work. Nice beach you got here on the floor. We gonna make margaritas later?
We should.
Damn. Holy hell. So Wick's already found these little items.
Some petrified wood from Mississippi.
Ooh, fossils. Fuck. All right, we'll check back in on the Wick's Beach here in a little bit. You going fishing?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
Oh, it won't come out there, but.
Oh my God!
It's that part about. It's a air nozzle.
Air quick disconnect.
I gotta go a little bigger with my hole because it won't come out.
Wow! Holy shit!
You know, I thought there was something big in there still, but I wouldn't have guessed that. I mean, we got a rock, a piece of petrified wood, and now a little disconnect.
Oh my God! Oh shit, Justin!
Hey.
You're not gonna get rowdy on camera, are you? Okay,
That
good.
bad boy.
That was in the rocker.
That was inside the rocker. That was
All this shit here.
this little stopper with the screw still in it, or a bumper.
Some metal.
Miscellaneous metal.
There's a plastic cap here somewhere too.
Plastic cap somewhere. There's a
Oh, it's right here.
screw somewhere.
There it is.
Yeah, so it's just some of our collection out of the passenger side rocker. Think how much faster the car's going to go now. We just cut all this weight out of it.
Yeah, you took probably about, well, shit, of sand. You probably got between both sides. This 15, 20 pounds.
Yeah.
God,
That's crazy.
then we got to get that hole patched up when we're done. But
Yeah.
it's amazing how much shit.
Yeah.
So you're gonna get back on blowing that out the rest of the way.
Yeah, get the rest of it out, then I can get some paint in there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we can see your marks from last week on the floor.
Yeah. Exactly. You know, I've been there. We're wearing gloves this week because it was like yesterday when
It finally all
I
came
wore
off.
the paint off.
Yeah. Yeah, and that stuff's
It's
solid.
gnarly. That shit, it just sticks right to you. I mean, that's the good thing about it is it sticks to anything. It's the bad thing about it if it's on your hands.
Yeah, you get to wear it for a week.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yeah.
Progress. Like spraying the good stuff.
Yeah. It's dripping it all over.
That basically says Wick was here.
Yeah. I mean, it's pretty amazing.
I mean, look at the fog still coming out of there.
Yeah.
That stuff's definitely got the good shit in it.
Yeah, it does. I mean, it's pretty amazing stuff, really. It's hard to say. It's plastic, man.